Hi everyone, you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm about to show you a huge Amazon haul I did, and tell you what my total cost for all of it was at the end. You don't want to miss it. And I don't even have everything here to show you that I purchased. Some of it I did a gift to someone, another one a couple of others I've already opened and put away because I was using it. So, let me show you what I got. I got this finished Shabby Chic full junk journal kit with Ephemera, which is pretty cool. It's just a book, but it's got all these different things in it that you can use in your Shabby Chic work. Backside looks like it's coffee dyed. I think it's beautiful. Now, how many of you are spending all day on your computers simply because you're bored? Well, I'm going to show you all a little secret shortly. It's going to change the way you're on your computer. Then I have this Shabby Chic paper pack by the Paper Princess. Isn't that beautiful? All these beautiful pictures. I like that. That's nice. Anyway, I'm going to go do this kind of fast because it's a lot. I got the Stamperia Precious Scrapbooking. And you can see, you get all of this. 10 double-faced sheets, acid-free. Then I got the Stamperia Shabby Rose Scrapbooking. And it's 10 double-faced sheets. And both of those are 12 by 12s. Next I got Stock Your Home 200 packs of the paper bags. Because I'm doing away with using so much plastic now. So I got these for packing small things in. Next, I'm going back to doing my diamond dot painting because I love it. So I got a huge one of those. And then I got another huge one of those. You know, these things aren't cheap, guys. I got more library cards with pockets. A whole lot of those. I got some, I think this is teal. Yeah, this is teal Rit dye. I got the drill and some extra wax for the diamond dot painting, because this is a little thicker than the ones that come with it and makes it easier for me to hold on to. And because, like I said, I had gotten rid of all my diamond dot stuff and I'm going to get back into doing it. Then today came in my toe tags, which make great. This is corner and funeral toe tag, ID tags. So you can see there's a lot in here. This is going in my Dark Shadows journal. Excuse me, I also use it in my Creepy Babies. This is a pack of 100 repair tags. I got some dies, and I've already used 6 other dies that I got the same way. And these are like the book plates and stuff. Then I got some alloy foundry for using with alcohol inks. Then I got this pack of bags, 100 pieces. This pack of bags, 100 pieces. This pack of bags, 100 pieces. Then I got this pack of bags, 100 pieces. Lots of bags to put in junk journal kits. Then I got the purple, yes Chiquita, I got purple Rit dye, just because I don't like it, I mean others don't. And it's in a little kit to get your gloves and mixing cups and a little bottle and all this stuff. So, that's not all. I got 2 rolls of the book repair tape, ultra high quality, 2-inch wide. I got this pack of washi tape that came with 2 others that, there they are. Okay, this one, these little doily things, that didn't go with it, that goes with another one. And this one. And like I said, there's 6 other items I got. Now, do you want your total cost of what I paid? Nothing. All of this came from Amazon. Every last piece of it came from my Amazon account. I didn't pay a dime for it. You want to know how? Well, my husband does surveys. And these surveys reward him, they're online, and they reward him with Amazon gift cards. So when people say, Kathie doesn't need anything, Kathie's got everything, wow, Kathie must be rich, she spends a fortune. Yes, she does buy nice stuff, doesn't she? But I'm not paying for it. My husband is, because he's putting in the work. And I'm seriously thinking about start doing it so that we can put our gift cards combined and buy other things we want for the house. Oh, I got some glue sticks, and anyway, I got a lot of stuff, and I didn't pay anything. So I got over $300 worth of stuff so far, and didn't pay a dime. So all of you who sit on a computer all day long and just watch videos or go to Facebook or basically just veg, go online to Google and search surveys. Then check the surveys, online surveys. Then check the surveys to see which one of them pay gift cards. He gets Home Depot gift cards. You can choose the gift cards you want, and they're usually like $5 each. Sometimes they're more, sometimes they're less. It depends on the survey you do and how much time and effort you want to put into it. But I would say if you spent a good 3 hours a day doing surveys instead of, just vegging and watching videos, which probably shoot myself in the foot for that, because you're watching my video right now. Okay, watch my video, then go do it. But seriously, guys, everybody knows Kathie shares. Everybody knows Kathie's not out to cut anybody else's throat. Kathie's here to get, everybody ahead. So if you want nice things to craft with, and you have the time and the effort you want to put into doing surveys online, get busy, because you too can have tons of free stuff. And like the Disabled Artists Foundation, Defy, wouldn't it be great if they assigned just one person in their core team to do surveys online and get all these gift cards? That's an idea I might present to CARE, because all those gift cards will get tons of brand new items for the artist, for the disabled artist. So here you go. Get busy, do some online surveys, and get nice crafting stuff for free. See you soon. Oh, by the way, you can use those gift cards for anything. You can get them at restaurants. You can get them for, I think Home Depot, and I don't know of any other stores other than Home Depot and restaurants. And Amazon, of course. But, I don't look at the list of who you can get them from, because we know where we shop, so that's where we get the cards for. And like I said, I'm thinking about start doing them too, so that, we can combine them and get big items, big ticket items that we want. So check it out, and you too can have nice things to craft with. See you soon. Bye.